Hi gamers, in this video let's find step-by-step guide to effectively deal with Psydogs in Stalker 2. Here are the following strategies. Identify the real Psydog. The real Psydog often runs away when it creates clones. Focus on pursuing the one that retreats, as it is likely the original. Use grenades or explosive devices to create blood splatter, which can help indicate the real dog among the clones. Use high mobility, sprint away. If overwhelmed, it's often best to run away from the encounter. Psydogs can be relentless, and disengaging can prevent you from taking unnecessary damage. Climb to safety if possible. Find higher ground or a safe spot to observe and shoot at the real Psydog without getting surrounded by clones. Choose your weapons wisely. While any weapon can dispel clones, using rapid-fire weapons like SMGs or shotguns allows you to quickly eliminate multiple targets if they swarm you. However, be mindful of your ammo count as you may need to conserve it for tougher encounters. Team up. If you're near other players or NPCs, consider calling for help. Engaging Psydogs as a group can significantly increase your chances of survival and make it easier to identify and take down the real threat. Avoid direct confrontation. In many cases, it may be more strategic to avoid fighting Psydogs altogether unless absolutely necessary. Their ability to spawn numerous clones makes them a frustrating enemy that can quickly deplete your resources. By using these tactics, you can improve your chances of surviving encounters with Psydogs in Stalker 2, making your journey through the zone less perilous. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.